So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound, and in this video I'm going to cover one of the important and easiest work from home jobs, that is from Physics Wallah. You must have studied and you must be knowing about the platform. So what is this job? You have to work as the academic mentor over here, right? Academic mentor means you have to solve doubts, question answer, maybe video solutions you have to make, that to work from home. And the grades are very simple, from class 3 to class 10th. Okay, you'll be working full time or part time depending on the requirement they'll mention you. And these are the timings. So here they are asking for the subjects mathematics, science, English, and SST. Okay, so they are just looking for academic mentors. Now these are the key responsibilities, like mostly it is related to doubt counter, means you'll be just covering their doubts, providing some guidance, and just offering personal attention. Okay, it's simple, just like you do teaching. If you have taught any tuition, or maybe if you have seen someone in your family members also, any school also, similarly that role you have to do. Now here the most important thing is that who can apply for it. Okay, so the required qualification, if you see, if you have been graduated in any of this particular stream, okay, that is mathematics, science, English, SST, okay, any of these stream, if you have graduated, then you can apply for it. And if you have completed the BA degree, then you should apply. Now here most important thing is that if you have 1 to 3 years experience in teaching, maybe you are a YouTube teacher, or maybe you are a academic counselor, or maybe you have attended any of the coaching institute, then you can just share the work experience also over here. Now if you are completely experienced, means if you are already teaching in any platform or maybe in any school or college, then you'll be having extra age than others. Okay, so these are the things. You must have strong verbal and communication skills. So mostly they are asking that if you are familiar with these skills and you are able to understand and teach the students, okay, then you can apply for this opportunity. I have shared the link in the description. From there you can just apply for it. Okay, so these are the important updates, and if you want to participate in other events like Google Cloud Arcade or different events, you can just check out the channel. We have covered multiple opportunities over here. Thank you, goodbye, and have a great day ahead. All the links are in the description.